Enabling biometric login on your Telus device can enhance your security and provide quick access. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Telus device. This is typically represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to Security. Scroll down and find the Security or Biometric section within the Settings menu. Tap on it to access biometric options. Step 3. Select Biometric Type. Choose the type of biometric login you want to enable, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Follow the prompts to begin the setup process. Step 4. Register your biometrics. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your fingerprint or face. Make sure to position your finger or face correctly as indicated, and repeat the process if necessary to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and test. Once registration is complete, confirm your settings and test the biometric login feature by locking your device and attempting to unlock it using your registered biometric method. By following these steps, you can easily enable biometric login on your Telus device, making it more secure and convenient to use.